Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Adata XPG Lancer RGB DDR5-6000 32GB kit. These are the first DDR5 memory modules that we've tested in our labs. And yes, you need a motherboard that supports DDR5 RAM, such as the latest offerings that utilizes the Intel's latest Z690 chipset. What I like about this RAM is that it supports all of the RGB ecosystems out there, including the Asus AURA sync, the MSI Mystic Light sync, the Gigabyte RGB Fusion, as well as the Polychrome sync from ASRock. These memory modules are rated to run at DDR5-6000 with a cache latency of 40-40-40. Now it might seem quite high, but with DDR5 speeds, the high cache latency is expected. Now DDR5 memory is quite expensive right now and is almost double the price of DDR4. So you're probably asking, is it worth the upgrade? Well, to run DDR5 RAM, you need the latest motherboard that supports DDR5, and they don't come cheap. But if you have the speed and performance with the latest technologies, then DDR5 is the way to go. Alright, so enough talk, let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. We'll be using the ASRock Z690 motherboard along with the Intel Core i9 12900KF processor. So we'll see in a bit after this unboxing. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Adata XPG Lancer RGB DDR5-6000 32GB kit. So you can see it comes with a 16GB times 2, and these are rated to run at DDR5-6000. What I like about these memory kits is that it supports all of the RGB ecosystems out there, including the Asus AURA sync, the RGB Fusion from Gigabyte, the MSI Mystic Light sync, and of course the ASRock Polychrome sync. Alright, so let's take a look inside the box and see what we have. Alright, here we have the memory modules. As you can see, they got XPG branding as well as the DDR5, and they look really nice with the solid black heat shield. It has a nice build quality, and in fact it has a certain weight which makes it feel pretty solid. And on top right here you can see the DDR5 logo, and the bottom left you have the XPG logo. Alright, let's have a look at the RGB strips there. You got the full length RGB with the XPG logo, and this whole thing lights up with, of course, the software of your motherboard that syncs it as well. Yeah, very nice. I'm expecting some nice RGB illumination, and yeah, these modules are rated to run at 1.35 volts with a cache latency of 40-40-40. Although it might sound high, with DDR5 speeds, the high cache latency is expected. Remember, these memory modules are only suitable for motherboards that support DDR5 RAM. I'm really excited to see what this DDR5 memory can do, but from our preliminary tests, we're expecting to get around about 90,000 megabytes per second on the read speed, and copy speeds around about 80,000 megabytes per second. So there's definitely a memory performance boost over DDR4. On closer inspection, we found that these memory modules uses memory chips from SK Hynix, so they should overclock pretty well. We'll be using an ASRock Z690 Phantom Gaming ITX motherboard that supports DDR5 RAM, along with an Intel Core i9 12900KF and 1TB of PCIe 4 SSD. So let's put these into our test rig and run at default speeds of DDR5-6000 and see how they perform. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Adata XPG Lancer RGB DDR5-6000 32GB kit. It offers amazing performance and supports all the RGB ecosystems out there. Hope you enjoyed this video.
give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.